I want to just make a small point, which is microplastics and plastics and plasticizers are not identical, right? So microplastics are a relatively newcomer to the scene because we've had plastics since 1950, right? Microplastics have been there but not recognized until relatively recently. And actually measuring them in our bodies is much harder than measuring the plasticizers, which are the chemicals that are put in plastic to give them the various properties that they have.
Phthalates.
Phthalates is one, bisphenol A is another, and so on. So yes, we can measure those, but measuring microplastics, particularly if we're going to go into your brain or into your testicles, into a woman's placenta, obviously that's much more difficult. So they're not the same, but the microplastics, what they are is the actual pieces of plastic that carry the plasticizers along with them. So they kind of piggyback on. So they do double damage because they carry the chemical harms and they also physically enter the cells, right? So do you remember, I'm sure asbestos you know about, and silicosis. And these were other examples of particles that went into the body and conveyed both chemical harm and physical harm, like inflammation and so on and so forth. So they're all bad, but they're not identical.